Welcome everyone to this daily daily forecast update for Money Squared YouTube channel. I suggest you to watch this video with 1.5x speed for better viewing experience and save time. I suggest you also, if you find this video helpful, to like and comment below your thoughts or any suggestions that you have. And if you want more videos like this, please subscribe and turn on the notifications. So let's start with gold on this daily update before NY session. Gold on a monthly time frame is starting now this week to reject a bit. On a weekly time frame, weekly is pushing up. We have 2 more days, today on Thursday and Friday tomorrow, for this week to close. So if we close right here, it's going to be good for buys above because we're closing above this resistance, but we'll also need to close hopefully above this previous resistance. At the moment, on a daily time frame, yesterday we closed again weekly bullish, but without breaking the previous week low and breaking the previous day low and breaking the previous day highs. So today we're just pushing to fill again this week. And on the 4-hour time frame, we are approaching this resistance, even though we break up yesterday on our daily roundup. Price was somewhere over here. I anticipated a push down if we break these lows, but price found some support here, and then it just pushed up on Tokyo and London session. So let's go ahead in the 1-hour time frame. In the 1-hour time frame, we pushed up on the London session open. On London open, we pushed up and then we rejected. Now we're 40 minutes into this 1 hour already and made a wick up. Now we're moving a bit bullish. On 30 minutes is just this nasty range. So for gold, I'm expecting buys above here with clean confirmation, because on the first try of the break, I'm not gonna enter because as you can see, this is previous resistance and kind of a key level. Also here you can see it was a resistance, here it was a bit support and then moved up. So yeah, I need a wick to the upside and then a closure to the upside and then hopefully to enter, and then we have this whole clean traffic which we can mirror, and that will give us the weekly closure above this, above that previous resistance, and for buys then the whole next week I'm expecting to come up to this level, to this range here, at least if we tend to close above here this week. So let's go ahead and clean. For sells, it's gonna be very tricky on gold because the last support is right over here, and then we have this clean candle, but as you can see we have this wick, so it's kind of very tricky to enter immediately here on sells. But I would prefer buys above here with closure, and on New York session, which we're gonna be live, so don't miss the live stream. And yeah, that's about it for gold, I believe. Just buys above here. We have nice daily structure, making higher high, higher lows, respecting previous days highs and lows, previous days lows, and breaking the previous days highs. So yeah, it's gonna be nice if we break above here, close above here, and then we can enter a buy. Let's go on GJ. From a monthly time frame is again still bearish. Previous monthly was closing bullish, and now we didn't break. We are still inside that range of the previous month, so hasn't changed, nothing yet. On a weekly time frame we're pushing a bit up, but now let's see how this week closes for the direction. But at the moment we are bullish on a weekly, pretending to close bullish after this rejection right over here. On a daily time frame we closed bearish previous days, on the previous day, and Yeah, if we close like this is our candle formation. We can move up tomorrow, but this is quite tricky. But previous day was bullish. Tuesday candle was very bearish, so it's a bit of indecision when it comes, and overall we are inside this range, so we can reject or continue at any point. 4 hour candles are also very tricky, because as you can see, this Tokyo session candle was very nasty and closed like indecision candle. We are bullish but very small body candles, so not indicating a lot of strength in the price. However, we closed above this previous support, so theoretically we can tap into 159.4, 159.3, which is like 40-50 pips from current levels. Let's go ahead in 1 hour and see. Yeah, in the 1 hour, if we break above, I think we should continue to the upside. We have our candle formation in resistance if the previous 30-minute are bull, but if the previous 30-minute are bullish, we can break this, and this will give us 15 pip or 24 pip stop loss and 40 pip take profit, which would have been a nice trade if we would not have been in this nasty range right over here. Because at the moment we are at this point, we need a closure above this, which we got on the previous 1 hour, but we didn't break the previous 1 hour's highs. As you can see here, it's gonna be very tricky to take buys or something. As you can see, this is a very strong resistance. Look how many rejection price got here, so it's quite a lot of failure to the upside. So it's not gonna be easy to take buys there. We need at least a candle like this, for example. I would love candle something like that, and then take buys showing some strength, not these very small body wicks. So the very small body and big wicks candle indicating not a lot of volume. For sells, I would prefer something over here, down here below this support. I would not prefer this range to trade. So yeah, let's move this a bit higher, and then yeah, we can take some trades above here with candle closure, because we have this clean traffic to the left hand side, which we can mirror to the side. And yeah, that's about it for GJ. Also, we're at this resistance point at this point, and yeah, some people may want to take sells from here at resistance, but I would suggest to wait for this break of these candles to a downside, and then you can get like, from here you have a 15 pips, 20 pips stop loss with 28, 30 pip take profit, which is not bad. But seeing all these rejection on this, you can come here and then reject, you can come here and then reject. You will never be sure that you will take that 30 pip stop loss. And also look at this small body to the upside, so it's very tricky, I would say. Here, this sell, for example, below here was perfect. Our candle formation, stop loss previous, take profit at the support, and that was a sell, but that happened before London Open, so yeah, we missed that. But yeah, that's about it for GJ and gold. Gold is now pushing up. Hopefully we can get momentum on New York session to continue. This would be perfect to tap into now before New York session, and then the next tap of the break of the highs of that tap, we can move up. So let's see. I'll just quickly go on 15 minutes and check what's happening here. Yeah, this is very interesting. But yeah, guys, that's about it today. We managed to close. Now it's already 9 minutes also. So yeah, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, support the channel, and I see you guys on the live stream. Bye bye.